Hey guys, welcome back to Pinch of Pink Salt. Today we are going to be prepping chickpeas. In a large bowl, I am adding in 1 pound of dried chickpeas and I'm going to fully submerge it with water because these bad boys are going to triple in size overnight. We're going to place this on our counter, let it sit overnight, and by the next day it is going to look like this. To be honest with you, this water does look a little nasty, but it is completely normal. It is also going to produce a foam, which some people actually use this foam to make recipes. I've never done it before, but if you think that's cool, that's something you can consider. We are now going to rinse our chickpeas, and as you can see, it will release some skins. Now, you can remove those. I don't bother. For me, I just consider it as extra fiber, so that's totally up to you. We're then going to transfer it to a large pot with some cold water and cook on medium to high heat. Now, as it's cooking, we are going to stir it occasionally just to make sure nothing is sticking and it is cooking evenly. It is going to release some more of that foam. If you want to scrape it off, you can, but you don't have to. And we're going to cook it until it breaks up like this. That's how you know it's perfectly tender. It still has a little bite to it, but we can now remove it from the heat and rinse it again with cold water. Now, I don't have a strainer large enough to contain all these chickpeas, so I'm just using my pot as a cooler / strainer. When it gets cool enough, I'm using my hands to toss the chickpeas to make sure it cools down completely, and then I do a final drain before I transfer it into my bowl. And that's really it, guys. So I'm going to be using these chickpeas to make my chickpea curry. It is so good. I'm going to be posting that video soon. And I personally prefer to use dried chickpeas over canned. I find that I get a much better value doing it that way, but that's me. That's where I currently live. And it's not that hard to do. As you can see, you literally soak it overnight, cook it the next day, and it's ready to go. I also love adding chickpeas to my smoothies. They're great for freezing and they are a wonderful source of protein. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe or this prep video, and if you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every single week, and until next time, have a good day. Bye.